Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Just to give you a heads up on what Grahame and I are up to, we're just travelling up through the Queensland and we're going to go and explore North Queensland. So we want you to come along and we're going to see what we find, but we're really looking forward to it. So at the moment we're at Childers and we're just going to start making our way north. Alright, we'll keep
look
you
at this.
posted.
This is a sugar train. Yeah, if there's any cars coming, let me know. There's the lights are flashing, so there'll be a little tiny quaint cane train come. Maybe not. Well, that's strange.
This is the free camp we're staying at Childers. It's just behind the Mitre 10 RSL, so it's lots of vans, buses. You can pull up here and you've got dump point, toilets. You're only one street back from the main street. There's a little park for the kids to play in, so it's a pretty good rest stop just for an overnighter. Alright, we'll keep you posted.
Here we are at Bargara. Bargara is only about 8 minutes from Bundaberg, and we're a bit surprised how beautiful it is. It's got these beautiful beautiful beaches, people swimming. There's no croc signs or anything, but yeah, it's quite impressive. There's a nice little main street up here which we're going to check out, maybe have some lunch. So we just left Childers this morning, drove up to Bundaberg, and then just drove across to Bargara. We missed out on dropping into here on our last trip, but Mistie's been checking it out and wanted to have a look, and we're glad we did. It's beautiful. I'll just go along this walkway here and show you what it's looked like. Have a look at this. Not bad, eh? Yeah, so we're going to have a bit of a look around here. What do you want for lunch? Have some fish and chips on the beach, sounds good. There's a pretty cool little main street here. There's a kiddie area just up in front. So we'll check that out. Show you what that looks like. Plenty of cafes and a whole street full of restaurants and stuff over there. Look at that. Alright, let's go and have a look up the main street here, so that we can get to eat. There's a fish shop here, we'll probably give this a go. Well, there's a fish shop here, or there's a... Oh, look at the beach hotel. Have a look at this Bargara Beach Hotel, right? Look at that. I think I'm pretty keen just for some fish and chips, yeah? Alright. Okay, we're going to shut it down. We might just show you to the corner, then you can see the main street. So you're coming in from Bundaberg, this road here that I'm pointing on, that's the road that goes straight back to Bundaberg, all the way to the main street of Bundaberg. That will take you. And then this is like the little main street area here of Bargara. So you got the main street area this way, and then Bundaberg there, the rest of the main street, the beach hotel there, over here, and then back down here. So yeah, that's it. Beautiful little place. Not a very big population by the look of it, but looks like I could pretty easily settle down and live here. So here at Bundaberg, we just left Bargara, right? We're just heading back towards Bundaberg, and you can hear that noise in the background. They're cutting some sugar cane. So that's all the sugar cane behind me, right? It is, it's probably about 4 meters tall. Now you can see the harvester coming. The harvester's got an auger on the front of it, and it pulls it up into, 2 augers pull it up, and then they cut it, and then it chops it up and throws it into these bins. So you can see there, his bin's full, honk the horn. Now he's changing the bins over. Now they take these bins down to a little railway line, and off they go. So you can see behind it, it's throwing all the waste out the back and throwing all the sugar cane into the hopper there. That's really cool. Yeah, so I'll just go down the road here and show you the little train tracks and the little carriages that they put this cane in. So they're tipping them back in those baskets there. And there's the tiniest little train line. So have a look at this. So the train line goes back down and around there. But here's these bins for scale, right? I'm 2 meters tall, or a little bit over. So they got these little knuckles on them, where they lock into each other. But have a look how close this track is. Look at my feet. 2 feet. Wow. I like it. There's Mistie in the cruiser, and there's the Snowy, right? Anyway, I thought you'd be interested by that. So that's the sugarcane harvesting at Bundaberg. Another fun fact for Bundaberg is where the alcohol's made, called Bundaberg Rum, which is brewed from the waste molasses from the sugarcane industry here, and it is yum. My favourite spirit. Here we are. We're down at the port of Bundaberg, and I just wanted to show you this, guys. So we just showed you the sugar getting cut and milled. This is where it comes in. This is all sugar, right? You wonder where all the sugar goes in Australia? They export it, and it gets loaded onto ships and goes overseas for who knows whatever sugar goes into, bakeries, lollies, foods, all sorts. But have a look at the size of this setup. That shed is massive, and it's also got other sheds running off it that way, so at right angles. just huge. And it looks like they're looking like developing this land because it's got the Gladstone Port Corporation signs all over it. So it looks like they're starting to do development here. So if you've been to Gladstone, the ports up there are massive, right? So obviously they're moving to expand down into here, but there's you got a deep water river in here. So yeah. Anyway, that's where it ends up. In to export, we don't use a huge amount of the sugar we produce in Australia because we produce so much, but a lot of it goes to export, and this is the end game for the stuff up this end anyway. But you couldn't get much more Bundaberg than that. Sugar train going past the Bundaberg ginger beer factory. That was cool, yeah? What do you reckon, Misty?
I think it's pretty good.
She's not really interested. This is the Bundaberg barrel. You can see all the steam coming out of the sugar mill. Now, that's not pollution. That is all the moisture getting condensated. So that's all just moisture pouring out of there. So beside the mill, you've got the Bundaberg Rum factory. So yeah, it's pretty cool. We might just swing by that and show you what it looks like. Oh, look at that dangerous driver. So we'll just swing down here and see if we can get a quick closer look at that. Yeah, so there's the mill. So right next door, we have the Bundaberg Rum factory. So the sugar cane gets pumped, or the molasses gets pumped across from that sugar mill and gets pumped across to this rum factory, and obviously they distill it and make the best rum ever, Bundy rum. So yeah, this is the factory. We'll just do a drive-by. Not going to let us film in there anyway, so we'll just do a drive-by and you can have a quick look at the Bundy rum factory. So over here we have the, just reach your arm over here, Misty, and film this. There's a Bundy sign. And there you have the massive bloody sugar mill. So yeah, you can see the sugar train. They get hauled into here and then processed. And you can see the pipes over there going across, pumping the molasses across to the rum factory. Yeah, so there you have it, people. That is the process for producing sugar and the byproducts to go to Bundaberg Rum, and obviously the port there showing you where they export it. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Really big industry in Australia, great for this region. All right, it's we're going to keep heading up the coast.
I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support is much appreciated. As always, thanks for watching.